Here we are. And it's filming.
Oh.
And it's so windy here. He's eating a sandwich.
I lost my hat.
He lost his hat. And here's Katie over here. We'll go see Katie. Hi, Katie.
Hi.
What's up, pretty?
My Sammy.
Getting your Sammy? I made them all Sammys. Actually, you made some of them, didn't you? I can't see anything. It's so bright and so windy here. Here's Kelsey. Kelsey looks tired. Kelsey worked yesterday.
For the first time in her life.
I know. And now she's exhausted.
I'm not exhausted, I'm just tired.
There's Karis. He's having a bad hair day.
What? No.
What no?
What no?
What no? I never have a
Now
bad
Claire
hair
is going, what no?
day. Yeah, I don't know where they are. Okay, lots of children here. And it's very, very, very windy.
Of course, pushing.
It's really windy.